everybody. Hi, how are you? It's Miss Penny from Marengo-Union Library again, here to do another craft. Yay! So for this craft, everybody, we're not using paint, but we are going to use some glue and we're going to use some scissors. So that's fun. So why don't you guys go ahead, get some glue. A glue stick should work just fine. Get yourself a pair of scissors and we can get started. All right, so today we are making an ant on a log. Oh, how super fun. Now sometimes when I hear ants on a log, I think of that fun snack of ants on a log where there are raisins, or you have a piece of celery and then you put some peanut butter on it and then you cover that with raisins and it looks like ants on a log. Super cute, super fun. But there are also allergies, and so we decided to do a craft instead. Crafts are fun. Crafts are fun. Okay, if you don't have allergies, if you're not allergic, you could do that snack at home. Or you can maybe use something else instead of peanut butter. That could work. Okay, in your craft kit, you're gonna see a brown piece of paper and a black piece of paper. And you're going to have a white piece of paper that is going to have 3 circles on it. Those 3 circles are going to be useful for you. That means that you can use them to help you cut out your own circles. You're going to use those 3 circles on the white paper to cut out 3 black circles. Okay, so you or your big person, go ahead and do that. Cut those circles. In case you're surprised, look at this. Miss Penny already did it. I used 3 white circles to make 3 black circles. So there are 2 big ones and 1 littler one. The 2 big ones are your ant's body and the little one will be your ant's head. But we can't quite put that together yet because we need a log. This is a huge log. We're gonna cut it down. This is where our scissors come in handy. So grab your scissors super carefully. You know what else you could use? If you have those fancy scissors that have designs already on them, those could be super fun for your log. I'm just gonna use regular scissors and I'm gonna cut the side of the long side of my paper, and your big person can help you know what the long side is because I want my paper to be, my log to be long for my ant. And I am just going to, I'm going to kind of cut a little bit of a wavy line just to kind of make it look like a log. Because logs aren't always straight. Sometimes they are, sometimes they're not. So I'm just going to kind of make it a little bit wavy. And if you have those silly scissors, then you could use those to do that. There we go. So I have kind of a wavy line, looks a little bit more like a log. If you want, you can make wavy ends on both sides. I'm gonna leave mine straight. It's your project. You get to do what you want with it. Alrighty. We don't need these. I'm gonna put those up. Now I can start gluing my ant pieces on. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a big circle and I'm going to put some glue on my big circle. Glue, glue, glue. And I'm gonna take my big circle and I'm gonna glue it to the back of my log. Right there. All right, got 1 circle on there. Now I'm gonna take my other big circle and I'm gonna put some glue on that. Glue, glue, glue. So I just kind of cover my circle with glue. See? You can see it because it's purple glue. All right, and I'm going to take this circle and I'm going to put it right next to or a little bit on top of the other one. So it's like this. So that's my ant's body. Yay, my ant has a body. Okay, I'm gonna push that down a little bit and then I'm going to take my little itty bitty circle and I'm gonna put some glue on my little itty bitty circle. Glue, and then I'm gonna take my little itty bitty circle and this is gonna be my ant's head. So I'm gonna put my ant's head on there and you can put your ant's head up higher, you can put it in the middle, or you can put it down low. You can put it wherever you want. on your ant's body. I'm gonna put mine just a little bit higher, right about there. Perfect. And now I have my ant's body put together. What else does this ant need? Yes, I'm gonna put some legs on my ant. In your kit, you have legs. That's what all these cute little black rectangles are, okay? We're going to put 3 legs on this middle circle. We're gonna put 3 up on top and 3 down on the bottom. So I'm just gonna put some glue right now. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna do it this way to make it a little bit easier. I put my glue spots and then I can just take my legs and stick them on there. You can keep your legs as long as they are, or you can cut them down a little bit if you want them to be a little bit shorter. Does look like these ants' legs are pretty long, so I might even cut mine a little bit shorter because I don't know if I've seen an ant with legs this long. So I'm gonna take my scissors and I'm just gonna snip them down just a little bit. I don't think they're too long, but I'm gonna snip them just a little bit. That one actually looks pretty good. Okay, and I'm just gonna do the same thing over here. I'm just gonna snip them a little bit. You guys can, but you don't have to. I just snipped them a very little bit. They're still pretty long, but they're not as long as they were before. All right, and I'm gonna put just a little dab of glue here because I didn't put quite enough. All right. Okay, so now that my ant's legs, your ant's, and my ant's legs are on there, what else does our ant need? Yeah, maybe some eyes. Why don't we go ahead and put some eyes on our ants? In your kit, you're gonna find 2 little, let me get them, googly eyes, 2 little googly eyes, and those are your ant's eyes. So you can decide where you want them on your ant's head. Put some little glue dots. Stick them on there, and your ant has eyes. Beautiful. And is it eyes? So now our ant's getting so much closer. It's got a body, it's got its body, it's got legs, and it's got eyes. One more thing it needs, maybe some antennas. Ants have antennas. So if you have a pencil, maybe grab a pencil or a crayon, or even you could probably use your little fingers because you guys have little tiny fingers. Just take this and wrap it around the pencil so that your antennas, and then just take it right off and your antennas are wiggly, okay? So if you just do that with both of them, and again, if you think your antennas are too long, you can cut them shorter, because they might be pretty long for this ant. Now that I'm looking at them, that's what I'm thinking. All right, and again, we're gonna take our glue and we're going to glue antennas onto our ant. Now, I'm thinking glue sticks may or may not work, but we're gonna find out. We may have to use either tape or a regular glue, because yep, this one's not wanting to stick. The first one stuck for me, but that second one is saying, I am not gonna stay down for you. I think it's because there's glue on my fingers and it wants to stay on my fingers now. Okay, I think I got it. Oh, look at that. Okay, I have an ant with one antler on a log, or one antenna. They're not antlers, guys. That's okay, I can pick that up. If you want, you can put a mouth on your ant. The best way to do this, because it's black paper, is with a white crayon or chalk, okay? I think I will go ahead and just put a little mouth on my little ant. And my ant is now, I think, complete. Ant on a log. Don't forget to, if you can, write your name on your picture. If you can't, have your big person help you, okay? Write your name on your picture, maybe the date, hang this up, or give it to someone special to hang up at their house, okay? If you guys want, send in some pictures or bring it in next time you come in and show us your picture that you made. We would love to see it. I would love to see it. Okay, you guys have so much fun making this. Do great with your cutting. I know you will. Have fun with your gluing, and don't forget to help clean up your mess when you're all finished, okay? See you guys later. Bye.